Okay, the monster. Mom, and Dad, now do race. And we got you. Don't attack. This is Velociraptor racing with zombie.
Velociraptor racing with zombie. Where's Velociraptor? That's Velociraptor.
Zombie.
Zombie. Oh, we must see who wins this.
3, 2, 1. Zombie flips over.
Zombie flips over.
Yes, who's gonna win? Looks like Velociraptor's in the air.
And Velociraptor's in the air.
Velociraptor wins.
Velociraptor wins. And Zombie
You
stays stuck over here, flipped over.
A zombie uses the Velociraptor wins.
And he let Velociraptor win.
And then
Who's next?
we got Black Pearl Racing with Captain Curse.
Captain Curse. Where's Captain Curse at?
Captain Curse.
Let's see how he looks. Captain Curse versus Black Pearl. Oh, who might win this one? Let's see.
3, 2, 1, race!
Whoa. And they crash. And looks like Black Pearl has flipped.
He's powered
And
out.
Captain Curse.
He powered out.
Oh, he's back. Oh, Black Pearl stays stuck. And it looks like Captain Curse has flipped Black Pearl.
Captain Curse wins.
And Captain Curse wins. Who will be the next to race?
And we got Son of a Digger racing with monsters.
Son of a Digger. Where is Son of a Digger at?
Son of a Digger,
Son of a Digger.
We got Son of a Digger racing with this monster.
Against King Sting. Right? Is this King Sting or King Sling?
King Sting.
Okay.
Oh, his name is Bogok.
Let's see who wins this one. And ready? Go!
Oh,
And they're racing. It looks like King Sling is flipped. And it looks like Son of a Digger has gone on the ramp and they both landed. But King Sling had a little loose start. Oh, yes. Oh, Son of a Digger in air. And he lands while King Sling stays stuck over here as he flipped over.
Son of a Digger wins.
Son of a Digger wins.
Okay.